So there were a couple questions on number 11, and I think the hardest part is trying to figure out which method to use. And what I see is when I see this 9, I know that's a perfect square, and I also see this square. So I'm kind of thinking that it's going to be some type of square formula. And what I would try, because the easiest formula to use is the difference of two squares. So we want to try to figure out what squared gives you 9 and what squared gives you x minus y. So obviously 3 squared would give us 9. And then the second part's already done. What squared is x minus y squared? That's just x minus y. So if our difference of two squares formula, a squared minus b squared, factors into a plus b times a minus b, we need to figure out what our a and b are, which is what we just did. We found a and b. So this means a is 3, b is x minus y. So now we can plug these into the formula. We want a plus b times a minus b. A is 3, so the first term is going to be 3 in both of these. Our second term is x minus y. That needs to actually go in parentheses because there's two parts. So this is going to be 3 plus x minus y. This will be 3 minus x minus y. Now, all we really need to do is simplify it. This first set of parentheses, the parentheses here don't really matter because there's a plus sign, so I'm just going to get rid of those. This becomes 3 plus x minus y. But in the second set of parentheses, this negative gets distributed, so this becomes 3 minus x plus y. And then that's it. That is your final answer.